If you are hypertensive or you have heart-related problem and you are on high blood medication drug, I want you to eat this soup to help improve your circulation and generally help your blood pressure to be better. The soup I want you to eat is called Cocoyam or taro soup. Yes, you heard me. So I want you to get 2 small pieces of cocoyam, peel it. When you finish peeling it, get tomatoes, get pepper, get dry fish, any of the dry fish of your choice. Add your seasoning as you like, just very little. Put all these things chopped together, put them in a blender and add water to blend it till smooth, not thick, smooth, not runny. Let it be runny. So add water as per the quantity of ingredient that you have added so that it can blend very well, not thick. Then put this mixture in your pot. Remember, it should not be thick, so you want to cook it under low heat for 5 to 6 minutes. When it's well cooked, between 5 to 6 minutes, it should be properly well cooked. And then you add maybe 5, 6, 7 to 10 minutes maximum though. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to your preparation, stirring it, allowing it to cook under low heat. Remember, do not use aluminum pot, use a stainless pot or a clay pot. Cook it under low heat. When it's ready after 10 minutes, add either scent leaf or mint leaf or basil, any of the, just a little as a seasoning, just add it to it. And I want you to drink it every evening for the next 7 days. Look, taro, I've done a research on taro and I've posted it. You look at the beneficial properties in taro or cocoyam and you find out that it's very good for people who are dealing with high blood pressure. So take taro soup today and let your heart and blood pressure perform much more better. I'll see you tomorrow as I talk more about how to care for your health. See you in a bit. Bye.